it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Have a great week. Have a great week, Sea Lions.
This is Sea Lion leader Ellie Vu with this week's announcements. Congratulations to all the participants in this year's Pageant of the Arts. We are so grateful to our director, art teacher, and all the support staff for making this year's pageant an incredible experience. It's Neurodiversity Week at McGaw. It's Magnificent Mind Monday, where we celebrate the diversity at our school. Wear clothing that has a kind message. The poetry contest winners will be announced on Monday. Congratulations, writers! All District Choral Festival is on Monday night at 5 p.m. Get ready for another amazing performance at Cottonwood in Los Alamitos. What are you passionate about? Talk all about it on Tuesday. The 5th grade McGaw Strings rehearsals on Tuesday at 2:30 after school. Wear the color of your grade level on Wednesday to celebrate neurodiversity. TK and K wear red, first wears orange, second wears yellow, third wears blue, fourth wears green, fifth wears purple. Thursday is Acceptance Day. Enjoy the presentation by Mr. Poppin in the auditorium. Pageant cast party and costume check-in is at 2:20 p.m. on Thursday. Enjoy the party and don't forget to bring your costume. PTA Family Fun Night is on Thursday starting at 5 p.m. Get there early to enjoy in and out and have fun with friends. Wear your spirit gear on Sensory Friendly Friday. We'll learn about how to respect the ways we experience the world. Come Walk in My Shoes is on Friday. Practice empathy and learn all about neurodiversity during this fun all-school event. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Congratulations to second grader Everly Bursich for winning the Run Seal Beach t-shirt contest. Your design was out of this world. Way to go, Everly.
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Congratulations to UTK student from Miss Tochioka's class, Sora Spanogle. She said that Sora is a very responsible student and always does the best work. She is doing an awesome job in TK.
Kindergarten.
Mrs. Sizemore wants to shout out kindergarten student Sailor Jeter. She said that Sailor was very kind and generous by sharing her radish seeds with a friend whose vegetable plant had spilled. Way to go, Sailor. That's how to take care of a pal.
First grade.
Mrs. Wood wants to shout out first grader Alexa Angers. She said that Alexa was responsible at school because she saw something and went to say something. Way to go, Alexa.
Second grade.
Mrs. Lee wants to shout out second grader Rodney Antrim. She said that Rodney is the hardest working and most focused sea lion in room 14. Great work and keep it up. Thanks, Rodney.
Third grade.
Mrs. Aniceto wants to shout out third grader Zane Montana. She said that Zane did a great job on his math problem solving today. He persevered through the whole thing.
Fourth grade.
Mrs. Duncan wants to shout out fourth grader Raina Terry. She says thank you for your integrity. You are a great helper when I have a substitute teacher. And you know what? Raina is great every single day. Way to go, kiddo.
Fifth grade.
And finally, Mrs. Alvarado wants to shout out fifth grader Walter Leota. She said that Walter has dedicated so much time to his pageant dance. He absolutely shined on stage, and she is so proud of him. Way to go, Walter. And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!